If you want to scan documents directly into the Notes app on your iPhone or iPad, here's how you can do it in a few quick steps. First, open the Notes app and create a new note or open an existing one where you want to add your scan. Then, tap on the link icon above your keyboard and tap on Scan Documents. Then point your camera at the document and your device will automatically detect the edges and scan it. And if it doesn't, just tap the shutter button manually. Then tap on Keep Scan. You can also scan multiple pages one after another. And once you're done, tap Save in the bottom right and that's all. Your scanned document is now added directly to your note ready to share. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.